We're going to provide that value content for you. So, in this one, I want to definitely discuss stocks for beginners. We usually have questions, me included. How do we start investing? How do we set up accounts? Things of that nature. Let's get right into it. So, pretty much, we got to understand what we're doing here. Investing is the process of allocating money into assets, things like stocks, bonds, or real estate, with always expectation of generating an income or profit. Also knowing there's always risk involved is crucial. Understanding the fundamentals is definitely crucial. Investing for beginners, it often starts with opening a brokerage account. That's what's going to allow you to trade various assets. Now, these accounts can be opened with banks, robo-advisors, or online brokers. They don't usually require a large initial deposit, so they make them accessible for people that are new to the market. The goal is to grow your wealth over time, but it's always important to be aware of the risk involved. Investments, they can always fluctuate in value, so the potential for loss does exist. All right. Now, when you're setting up an account, the right brokerage, selecting that is a crucial step. The best brokerage accounts for beginners, the ones that offer intuitive platforms, comprehensive educational resources, and low fees. They're going to always serve as your entry point into the world of investing. It's going to enable you to buy, sell stocks, bonds, and other securities. You want to always look for brokers that provide heavy customer support, because that's going to be invaluable when you're just starting out. I would always say reach out to your financial institution on setting up a brokerage account.
Now, Robinhood has been going crazy since Donald Trump has been elected president. I'm not mad at you for that, but I prefer E-Trade. The reason why I prefer E-Trade because they have a customer service system that's great. They have a whole bunch of tools that's great. E-Trade, you can go Schwab, Charles Schwab, which is a great when they bought TD Ameritrade. I actually use that company now. My two of my primary accounts over there, my daughter's account over there, and my Roth IRA account is over there. So you can go Charles Schwab. Fidelity is not bad. Webull is not bad. Right? But here's what I don't want you to use. I don't want you to use Cash App. It's not designed for that. Right? I'm not a fan of Cash App. They got a couple other ones out there, public. I'm not crazy about them. I don't have nothing against them, but this is what I want. I like you being here. I like you being here, right? So now,
online brokers, they've definitely become popular among beginners due to the convenience and lower cost compared to traditional brokers. They allow you to manage your investments directly through mobile apps and other user-friendly platforms. The apps are designed to make investing accessible and understandable, even for those with no prior experience. Now let's talk about stock trading. Stock trading for beginners. Now it involves buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. When you purchase a stock, you become part owner of that company, meaning you benefit from the company's growth, which also means you need to be watching the company's movement, because you can also suffer from the losses. It's always important to start with a clear strategy. Many novice investors, they're going to begin with well-known companies with a good track record of stability. Also, you can explore index funds or exchange-traded funds, which are ETFs. They offer exposure to a broad range of stocks in one purchase. So instead of you getting a Vizio stock, you might get a technology stock, which would cover under Vizio. These options, they can provide a more diversified investment with lower risk compared to individual stocks. If you're searching for the best trading platforms for beginners, you want to focus on features that make trading accessible and educational. So the ideal platform, it should have a user-friendly interface, provide access to a wide range of investment options, and offer resources that help you understand the market. Look for ones that include demo accounts or stimulation features that let you try it out without actually using money. Additionally, you want to consider platforms that offer low fees and no minimum account balance, because those can be beneficial when you're just starting out. A few are SoFi, Public, Interactive Brokers, Acorn, Robinhood, and Stash. Generally, you want to start with stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, real estate, and CDs. Those are good things for beginners to invest in. A couple crypto apps are Coinbase and Crypto.com. We're going to get into actually how to set up those applications and more into the crypto side on the next one.